Hi, Paulo here. The fastest and most responsive website builder that anybody can use, especially you, is BUILDERALL CHEETAH. And for this video, I'll show you the website settings. Before we proceed, intro. Welcome back. This is the BUILDERALL back office. BUILDERALL is an all-in-one digital marketing platform that anybody can use even without learning any technical skills or programming skills. It can be used for sales funnels, email marketing, e-commerce, and many more. So let's go down to the bottom. Even chatbots, by the way. Making online courses, copywriting, and other lead generating tools such as the Share Locker, Social Proof. You can even message your leads. It also has an Instagram autoresponder, CRM, even a webinar. And yes, you can also build websites using WordPress. If you have a virtual assistant, you can also give them access here, so they can manage whatever you are doing or using on BUILDERALL. But I'll go through that on another video, so be sure to subscribe and click the bell beside the subscribe button so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Now let's go to BUILDERALL CHEETAH. Just click on here, click on enter. And from here, let's go ahead and create a new website. Create new site. So demo. You can save, and it will be brought here. So just click on edit site. So now we're on the page wherein we can make configurations and do some editing on the website that we're building, which is demo. So for this video we'll talk about the website settings. So click on here. So from here, you can configure everything about your website, the website settings specifically. So general settings, click on this. Here you can change the title of your website, the URL or the website address, the language, the description, the favicon, and the title separator. This title separator is for the page itself. This is title separator. This is the one that appears on top. Let's say, for example, this one. If you can see here, virtual office, there's a line or a border, and then BUILDERALL. This is where you change that. You can configure it here. All you have to do is click on the drop down. You can use any of the three options, but normally people would go for the first one. The favicon, by the way, this is the one that's showing up here on the right. It's the icon, or the favorite icon actually. To shorten it up, we call it favicon. So it's on the upper right. So let's say here, it would be this one. Okay, so it's the icon showing on the right part of the address. And yes, that can be configured. So done with the general settings, let's go to the SEO settings. And yes, websites built on Builderall Cheetah can rank on Google. Just type in the keyword here and the meta tags here. This will be applied to the entire website, so it would rank on Google. There's an in-depth training on this. If you want to learn more about this, link will be on the description of this video. So that's it for the web SEO settings. Let's go to the script settings. For the script settings, this is where you put in the scripts. It's just a copy and paste. That's why using Builderall Cheetah or anything on Builderall, there's no need to learn any programming or technical skills. You just copy and paste. As long as you can copy, paste, edit, and save, you're good to go. You will be able to use Builderall. So script settings here, Facebook pixel script, and for Google Analytics script here, and then just click on save and everything will be good to go. So that's about it for this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to learn more, just click on the subscribe button and click the bell beside the subscribe button so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. If you think this video would help other people, please do share it. And if you have any questions, just comment below or message me on my Facebook page and I'll either answer it for you or even make a video out of it so we can share the knowledge to everybody. Just like that, the video is over and I'll see you on the next one. Let's go.